Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dannia. So today I'm gonna try on a glitter eye makeup that I was inspired by a catwalk makeup in a fashion show of Halpern for the Fall/Winter 2019 collection. This also becomes one of those makeup trends for 2019 Fall/Winter. So without further talking, let's get to the video and see how I did this makeup. To start the makeup, I'm gonna put on some concealer as primer for my eyelids and use my hand to blend it out. The concealer I use here is from the same Cover Perfection Tip Concealer in shade number 1 Cream Beige. This concealer has a high coverage, so it's really good to cover those veins on the lids. Before I move on to the next step, I'm gonna use lip balm to moisturize my lips. This lip balm is from Chapstick Strawberry Lip Balm with SPF 15. Now I'm gonna use the bronzer from Too Cool for School to cover all my lids. Next, using the bronzer from Benefit Hoola, I'm gonna apply it on the end of my lids and then blend it out to the front. Using the Stila Clear and Glow Liquid eyeshadow in the Gold Goddess color, I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. This step works as a glitter base to keep the overall makeup looks better even if you don't put on the special glitters evenly later. Now to the fun part in today's makeup. Using glitter primer and loose glitters in Golden Nuggets from Essence, I'm gonna apply these beautiful glitters on all my lids using cotton tips. Using the lashes color from Revlon, I'm gonna curl my lashes a bit and then apply mascara. The mascara I used is from Benefit Day Real Mascara in brown color. I'm gonna apply the Stila glitters for the lower line as well. I'm using L'Oreal Brow Artist Pencil in Burgundy Brown to draw in my brows. This is the brows mascara from Etude House Color My Brows in color Natural Brown. This mascara will make my brows look softer and match the color of my brows with my hair. Using the Rimmel Primer Stay Matte, I'm going to apply it on the T-zone and around my nose to cover the large pores. I used the foundation from Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Pearl and used the sponge from New Technique to blend it out. Using the same concealer, I'm gonna cover my dark circles and my blemishes. For a matte finish look, I'm gonna use the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. Using Too Faced Gold Bronzer, I'm gonna bronze my face and my nose a bit. I used the soft contouring lip liner in Lost in Love color from Essence to draw my lip liner. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the nude sticks in the color in the nude. Using NYX Brown to Glow Liquid Illuminator, I'm gonna highlight a bit on my cheekbones, on my nose, and on my fuchsia. This highlighter is in Sunbeam color. I'm not really happy with the color of my lips, so I use another lipstick from Ophelia to apply on top. The color of the lipstick is Summer Wine. And this is the final look for today. What do you think about this makeup? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you think this video is interesting, don't hesitate to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!